back, everybody. I got my mini splits all in. I think that was on the camera before. That line, got the outside done. I do have to go down below, finish my condensation drain. I'm gonna run it outside underneath. And then it's to boxing this thing out and start the wiring. We'll see what happens. Let the wiring commence. Do after we get that drain done.
Waking up this morning, waking up before it's getting 9. Kinda heavy on my shoulders, tracking down some moments back in time. I could've swore that I was in it, down to every minute. Don't know what I was sipping, but I felt like I was doing fine. Oh my. Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line.
Say hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Lori. I'm Mickey's sister. How y'all doing? Getting ready to sand this door down?
What are we doing to the door?
We are going to get rid of these lines in this door. So we're going to sand it and then we're going to peel it. And then we're going to sand it with a lighter sandpaper.
And then
so all of these got to be done.
And we're going to caulk it.
We're going to mask and caulk, and this is the before, and then the after is going to come. But long process. And then we're going to do the outside deck doors also. So they'll all be one color on the outside and then different colors on the inside.
We're prepping for paint.
We're ready.
Doors anyway. What are you doing, Keith? Oh, it shut off. Why did it shut off? I didn't touch the button. What is that?
Huh?
What is that?
What is what?
That board you just plugged in there.
It's my height.
Oh.
I'm gonna sheet this wall, so I gotta have it for thickness. Man, New Orleans is sinking, man, and I don't want to swim. Swim.
Little too much southern comfort, hanging with my friends, all playing games. We all started at a full house, ended up just me and good old James. I could've swore that I was winning, kinda had a feeling. Last thing I remember, I was drinking till the moon shined. Oh my. Turns out that I just got a little bit of the Georgia line. May not know just where I'm at, no idea when I'll get back. There's so much you just can't explain. No, I'm not one to lose control, but I don't really care at all.
Nail in the box. Nail in the box. As soon as I find a hammer.
And I'll do it again.
Oh, I forgot to turn ya. Oops. Oh, I don't know what doubles. Well, that sucks.
What happened?
Huh?
What happened?
Oh, I'm out of double boxes.
Uh-oh. Are you sure?
Alright, welcome back everybody. We're gonna start drilling some holes and pulling some wire and see how much trouble we get into. So, let me get you set up and get to going. I guess. Let's see what happens here.